Hey guys, it's Shereé, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my ThreadCrate subscription for the month of December. First things first, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. I truly appreciate you so very much. All right, let's get into it. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited to have received this month's box. I have been anxiously waiting, and I was pleasantly surprised by all of the wonderful things that are in this box. There were a couple of sneak peeks that were provided on Instagram through the ThreadCrate Instagram account, as well as the Facebook group, but they weren't enough for me to know exactly what I would be receiving. So when I received my box, I was so thrilled to see what was inside. Okay, so I want to clear something up before I go into the box. I am an affiliate with ThreadCrate, which means that I get a small commission on any purchases made through my link, but my subscription is actually paid for by me. I love the subscription and I do use my own money to purchase it. Someone had a question about that in my last video, and so I want to clear that up. Okay, I do stand by this company so very much. It is woman owned and it's a woman of color, and she's doing an amazing job to cater the perfect box for all of us. This box is great for beginners who are building their sewing equipment and stash, but it's also really great for people that have been sewing for a long time, because you're getting all of the materials that you need to create a relaxing, fun project. Now, there's something special about this box that's different from the last, and it is that it includes a pattern that is supposed to be good for both women and men. So this is really cool, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Okay, guys, so this is the box. Right away, I was super thrilled to see the size of the box, because it indicated that there was more in here, or maybe bigger items than there were in the previous box. So I was super excited, and I busted it open already. So I did take a tiny little peek, but I wanted to be able to get the information card so that I could share the information with you as I go along. So let's start with the brochure. Last month, there were lots of little squared papers that told us about the different things in the box. And many people, including myself, had suggested that those little sheets be combined into one pamphlet. And guess what, guys? Cassandra listened, and she put together this perfect little brochure, which I think is fantastic. When you open it up, it gives you all of the information that you need to know about this month's box, which is so cool. So we're gonna go in order based off of the things listed on here, and that's how I'll share the things in the box. The first thing that it says on here is that there's French terry fabric, which you guys know lately I have been completely obsessed with all things French terry and sweatshirt related, okay? So this actually is a French terry spandex blend, and it looks like we're going to be having two colors in here. I did read that on the Instagram page, that there would be 2 yards of one color and then 1 yard of another. And you guys, I got colors that you know I love if you're already subscribed to my channel, because I talk about one particular color all the time, and it's the color yellow. Now, if you're new to my channel, I love yellow because it is a color that brightens my mood. I don't know what it is about this color, but when I wear it, I actually feel better. I don't know, more cheery. It just changes my mood, and sometimes fabrics and colors and art can do that for me. So it looks like I didn't measure it, but it looks like I got 2 yards of this, and then I also received 1 yard of black. And I'm gonna take out the yellow so that you can see the quality of the fabric. It's nice to see what it breaks like, and I'll tell you what it feels like. So this is what it looks like. This is actually a thinner French terry. So in my mind, I'm thinking, if I don't use the pattern that's in the box, this would be a great dress material, like a sweatshirt dress material, or any dress that would require you to use a jersey fabric. But it's really gorgeous. I don't know if this is like canary yellow, mustard yellow, but it's not your typical bright yellow. It definitely has more of a mustard color, but it does have the looped back on the inside, and then it's smooth on the outside. It's very soft and it's very light, which is nice. So I'm pretty sure that this is 2 yards. It's much thicker than the other bundle. I'll show you the black one. However, they are the exact same type of fabric. So let's look at that. Now I just made a huge sweatshirt fabric haul from Girl Charlie recently, and I shared that with you guys, and I'm still working my way through that. So this is something that will actually be in my stash waiting for me, I think, for a while. Here is the black, and again, it is a thinner French terry. It definitely reminds me of a thicker jersey material. It's not that thick, heavy French terry. So it's really nice. It's smooth and soft on one side, and then it has the loop back on the other side. But it's a very mild loop back. And I'm guessing because this is a lot smaller than the other piece that this is 1 yard. So the reason why there are 2 different colors of fabric this month is because she has a pattern in here that requires you to do color blocking, which is so cool. If you've never done it before, this is a great opportunity to test it out. The pattern that she included is called the Elevation Hoodie, and it looks like it's from a company called New Horizons Designs. And the cool thing about this hoodie is that it is a bundle pack. So you get a child size, a woman's size, and you also get a men's size. So it's a really nice universal hoodie that can be used for more than one person in your family. Now there's only enough fabric to make 1 hoodie, but you'll have your pattern for a lifetime if you download it. So this is really cool. I will insert a picture of this so that you can see what it looks like close up. That's so exciting. The next thing in this box is called a Stash and Store. So this is the Stash and Store. It is for organizing, and this is what the box looks like. Let me take it out of the box so that we can get a closer look. I don't actually know what a Stash and Store is, so let's see. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so on the picture in the box, it has scissors standing straight up and marking tools, a little miniature ruler, but it has these cute little flower things that are built within this silicone top. And I guess you just stick your tools right in it, and it holds up just like this so that you can keep it on your sewing table, and it's easy to access the things that you need. This is very cute. I had never even thought of having something like this on my sewing table, but it's neat. All right, well, that's cool. What else is in the box? It says needles. So I'm looking now for needles. Let's see. I don't see them loose in the box. Maybe they're in this pretty bag, this blue bag. Let's see. Yes, there's needles, and this is the same type of envelope that she provided last time, and there's 1 needle inside. Okay, what else is in this little bag? Oh, what's this? Oh, how cute. It's TC for ThreadCrate, and this is called a cozy ear warmer. Okay, let's model that for you. A cozy ear warmer. Cool. I like this. We'll be needing this hopefully soon in California. I hope. It's been hot forever. So this is really neat that she included this in the box, and I like that it has TC for ThreadCrate, so that's really cool. Last month we actually got a mask, and that was neat also. In this bag also there's these 2 little things. Let's see what they are. Oh, how cute. They're little sewing tags, and they say handmade. Oh, cool. I'll insert in a close-up picture so that you can see what this looks like close up. So cute. I wonder if it's an iron-on or a sew-on. Let's see if it says that on here. That must be a little bonus because I actually don't see it on here. That's nice. So another thing I don't see in here this month is a pattern weight. So I'm wondering if this replaced the pattern weight that was in last month's box. Interesting. Also in the box we have more fabric clips, and there are 5 just like last month, so it's a really nice way to build up your clip collection. All right, so the other thing that's in here is the thread, and it's the canary yellow, just like the fabric that had 2 yards. All right, so the next thing in here is marking pen. And so we have the Dritz dual purpose twin marking pen. So one side is a water-soluble blue, and on the other end, it is an air and water-soluble purple. That's nice. 2 colors in one. I love it. Okay, so the next thing that should be in here is a seam ripper. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been going through seam rippers, okay? The reason why I've gone through so many is because I sew with lots of different fabrics, and I use my seam ripper for a lot of purposes, not just for ripping seams, but also for like buttonholes and things like that. And because I've been working with so many different types of fabric, my seam rippers have been getting so dull. So I'm excited to have another one. And this one actually looks very high quality. Definitely doesn't look like the ones that I've been using. But it has a really grippy type of rubber right here. It's a good weight. And so this actual seam ripper part, the point is actually really sharp, which is great because, like I said, mine are super dull. So I'm really happy to have this. This is nice. Wow, okay, what's next in the box? Let's see. The next thing in here, it says it's cozy socks. How exciting. I love a good cozy sock. And it's not something I expected to be in the box. So this is kind of cool. All right, what's next? Oh, one more thing is today I saw on Facebook that she's actually gonna do a sew along, I believe next Sunday, which is the 13th, I believe. Check their Facebook page because I believe I saw that she's doing a sew along for this pattern. So if you want to join, do go ahead and sign up with ThreadCrate on Facebook and you can follow along with her sew along. That's so cool. All right, so the next thing in here is, okay, this is fantastic. This is a rotary cutter. This is from Olfa. I think I'm saying that correctly. And it's a 45mm one. This is so cool. I actually have two rotary cutters, but I'm happy to have another one. The thing about rotary cutters that you need to know if you're going to be using and purchasing them is that you have to replace the blade after you use them every so often, especially once you've used them on rougher materials like denim or something like that, leather, whatever the case may be. They get dull over time. So you have to buy replacement blades, and I have two. One is now switched over to the purpose of using on paper, and the other one I've been constantly replacing the blades, and this one is a slightly different design than the one that I've been using. So I'm excited to have another one, and I will be able to cut as much as I want. It's so exciting. If you're a beginning sewist, this is something that you may not have already thought to purchase, and I'm so excited that it's in the box. This is great. Alright guys, so that was everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I personally am extremely thrilled to have received everything that came in this month's box. Can't wait to get started using it all. Alright, so if you're interested in signing up with ThreadCrate, do hit the link in the information section below. By using that link, it is an affiliate link, so I will receive a small commission on any purchases made through that link, but I want to let you know that any commissions that I receive will go back into my channel so that I can continue to make amazing content for you. Also, there is a discount code as well. It's Shereé10. If you use that, you will receive 10% off of your subscription. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon. I will be posting some more videos coming soon, some sewing related and some regarding beauty, so hair and skincare. I encourage you to please check out all of those videos, not just the ones about sewing, because if you're human, then you have skin and you probably have hair too. And I want to share my hair journey with you. I get lots of questions about my hair and about what I do to keep it healthy, and so I want to go ahead and share that information with you. Another thing is that I recently posted a sew along video. It was my very first one, and so many people left me lovely comments of encouragement, and I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch that video. It is rather long. I created it because people have been asking me for months to share a sew along, and I was a little nervous about it. It's not easy to share your process with strangers, but you know, I've had so much support in this channel, and there's so many people that reach out to me that are new to sewing or haven't started yet, but they're really excited to learn and try. And I wanted to show them that sewing doesn't have to be as complicated or difficult as what their fears may be. And so I wanted to do a pattern that is really good for beginners, and just so that it's I could show that it's not that hard to start something. And if you make mistakes, it's okay. I mean, that's part of the process in sewing, but I wanted to share my experience and a project with you all. So because of the positive feedback that I received, I will be doing more sew-alongs, but maybe for different types of projects. So if you have suggestions on things that you'd like to see me sew, please do leave those in the comment section below, and I'd love to put together those videos for you. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.